A detailed look at the farthest reaches of the cosmos. Images no human eye was ever meant to see. The latest transmissions from NASA's James Webb Space Telescope have revealed something so baffling that even the most seasoned astronomers are struggling to explain it. And when Neil deGrasse Tyson spoke about it publicly, the world listened. James Webb, already famous for showing us the universe in exquisite detail, had uncovered evidence of something almost unthinkable: the sudden disappearance of an estimated ** 900 trillion stars. Not fading over billions of years. Not slipping away beyond the cosmic horizon. But gone, as if erased from existence. This was no routine anomaly. This was a silence so vast that it demands we question the very stability of the universe itself. Webb's power lies in its ability to capture faint light in the infrared spectrum, light stretched and reddened by cosmic expansion. With this, it lets us peer into epochs billions of years old, pulling back a curtain that no telescope before it could touch. Yet now, what it has revealed is not just distant galaxies, but the absence of them. Vast swaths of the sky where trillions of stars should be shining, are missing. For Tyson, the implications were staggering. Stars are the engines of the universe, furnaces that forge the elements of life, the anchors of galaxies, the storytellers of cosmic history. To lose hundreds of trillions at once is to tear pages out of the universe's book. And this is not ordinary stellar death. Not red giants collapsing into white dwarfs, or supernovae birthing black holes. What Webb has recorded looks more like a * cosmic deletion, *. So what could it mean? Some suggest the culprit might be * dark energy *, the mysterious force accelerating the expansion of the universe. Could it be doing more than stretching space? Could it be consuming it? Others speculate an even stranger possibility: a breakdown in the laws of physics themselves. Entire regions of space undergoing transformations so fundamental that stars can no longer exist within them. Like a phase shift in reality itself. Dust clouds? Too simple. Webb's infrared vision sees through them. Distance beyond the horizon? The numbers don't add up. What we're left with is something far more unsettling: the idea that space itself can change, erasing what was once there. Think about the scale. Our Milky Way contains roughly 100 to 400 billion stars. The number Tyson cited, * 900 trillion *, is thousands of times greater. That means this phenomenon isn't local. It's not one galaxy. It's multiple galaxies, entire clusters. To put it in human terms, if every person alive began counting one star per second, it would take over * 28 million years * to count the stars that have now vanished. But perhaps the most haunting part of Tyson's commentary wasn't the scale, it was the silence. From Earth, the night sky has always been our constant. Civilizations have navigated by it, built calendars by it, told stories by it. And yet, Webb's data suggests that even the heavens themselves are mutable. What does it mean for human culture, for philosophy, for meaning itself, if the stars are no longer eternal? Scientists are racing for explanations. Could dark matter, that invisible scaffolding of galaxies, be shifting in ways we don't yet understand? Could conservation itself, the very laws of energy and matter, be less rigid than we believed? Some even whisper of ideas once dismissed as fantasy: parallel universes siphoning away mass, quantum effects writ large across the cosmos, or perhaps, intentional intervention. Tyson didn't lean into speculation, but he didn't dismiss it either. His message was clear: if such numbers of stars can vanish, then nothing in the universe can be considered permanent. The James Webb Space Telescope was built to help us look back, to glimpse the birth of galaxies, to trace the story of creation itself. Instead, it may have revealed that the universe is not a finished story at all, but an active, volatile manuscript. One that can be edited at scales we can barely comprehend. What Tyson asked us to confront was simple and terrifying: the cosmos may not be as stable as we thought. The stars are not guarantees. Even the most enduring lights in the sky may be temporary. And if the universe can erase * 900 trillion stars * in silence, What else can it erase? Sparkles, smash that like button, drop your theories in the comments and subscribe, because if this is just the beginning of Webb's revelations, then the next Tyson's message was simple. The universe owes us no consistency, no reassurance. It reveals what it will, and it is our task to endure the discomfort of discovery. For the next generation of learners, this is no small matter. Imagine being a student and realizing that stars, the very points of light you once traced into constellations, can simply vanish en masse. The challenge is staggering, even to professionals. And yet it is precisely this staggering truth that will ignite new minds to study astrophysics, cosmology, and the physics of reality itself. The disappearance of stars is not just data. It is a mystery. And mysteries are fuel for curiosity, the kind of fuel that can last decades, even centuries. From the perspective of art, the discovery is just as profound. For millennia, poets and painters have treated stars as symbols of permanence, destiny, and hope. Now we face a darker metaphor, cosmic absence. Where once we imagined eternity, we must now imagine erasure. A new generation of art may rise from this void, music, novels, and paintings that wrestle with the silence where trillions of suns once burned. Tyson's words carry weight here too, because both art and science spring from wonder. To contemplate the vanishing of stars is to stand before the sublime, its beauty inseparable from its terror. The technological achievement behind this revelation deserves recognition as well. The James Webb Space Telescope is itself a miracle of engineering, an instrument operating in frozen silence, a million miles from Earth, with golden mirrors unfolding like origami to capture light billions of years old. That such a human creation can glimpse something of this scale is a triumph of imagination and precision. The story of vanished stars is not only about what was lost, it is about the staggering capability we built to even notice their absence. Future telescopes, inspired by this revelation, will not merely continue Webb's work, they will surpass it. Gravitational wave detectors, neutrino observatories, exotic particle research, all may be tasked with probing the nature of this disappearance. Tyson's words may be remembered as the spark for a new technological race. A race not for dominance, but for deeper vision. There is also the personal dimension. Tyson has always believed science belongs to everyone. His announcement of 900 trillion missing stars was not made only for specialists. It was spoken for anyone who has ever looked up at the sky in wonder. That democratization of awe matters. The cosmos does not belong to universities or governments. It belongs to humanity. And so this disappearance is not an academic detail, it is a collective revelation. History reminds us that astronomy advances through paradigm shifts. Galileo revealed that the moon was scarred and imperfect. Hubble showed us that our galaxy was just one among billions. Each shift disrupted the human sense of cosmic security while simultaneously expanding it. But Webb's discovery inverts that tradition. Where past revelations added more galaxies, more complexity, this one subtracts. Stars are not appearing. They are vanishing. Instead of expansion of sight, we face contraction. Instead of discovery through addition, we face revelation through erasure. This forces a radical rethinking. Perhaps the cosmos is not a static archive but a dynamic stage, where entire galaxies dissolve on timescales shorter than we imagined. Perhaps the universe is not a museum of relics, but a living system, capable of transformation while we are still watching. The disappearance also reframes time itself. Every photon Webb collects has traveled for billions of years. When we observe stars, we are gazing into the past. If those stars are now gone, then the light reaching us is a ghost, an echo of a reality that no longer exists. This suggests something deeply unsettling. The sky above us may already be a graveyard a portrait of a universe that has already changed beyond recognition. Our observations, then, are not truths but memories. What could erase stars on this scale? There is no precedent. Ancient astronomers recorded sudden stellar deaths, the bright flare of a supernova. But these were single stars, isolated events. What Webb shows us has no analog. It defies our categories. Which means science must build new ones. New mathematics. New frameworks. Perhaps space itself can thin, rupture, or dissolve. Perhaps new geometries, topological, multidimensional, must be invented to capture these absences. Science has always advanced this way: observation demanding theory, theory creating new math, math predicting new truths. Tyson's announcement is not just a report, it is a summons. A call to invent the mathematics of erasure. And then comes the ultimate question. What does this mean for the fate of the universe? Cosmologists long debated three endings: the *Big Crunch*, the *Big Freeze*, or the *Big Rip*. But the silent removal of stars does not fit neatly into any of these scenarios. It suggests a fourth possibility, that reality itself contains an eraser, unpredictable and unstoppable. For humanity, this is more than science fiction. It is a warning. Our species dreams of traveling to the stars, of building civilizations among them. But what if those destinations can vanish before we arrive? And still, Tyson reminds us, humility is required. The cosmos is vast, impermanent, and indifferent. Yet the very act of witnessing these disappearances elevates us. No other creature on Earth has seen this. Awareness itself is our dignity. Perhaps ethics in the cosmic age is not about asserting our importance, but cherishing our ability to perceive at all, to glimpse truths the universe reveals, even when those truths are terrifying. 900 trillion stars, gone.